or your one and asadi, there or Saturday, or the puntu, or the baby, on the other in Fubana Wachasi. The we and what the man, or your one and asadi, those in Puntu Baba Kepus, one and asadi, those in Puntu Baba Central Region, one and asadi, those in Puntu or Baba Gani Minara, in Puntu Sama offer Kepus, baby will be in Puntu Sama offer, or your one and asadi, there or Saturday, or the Puntu, or the baby, A and the P, and a Batanasi, women down of Pediara, live Ever Coastal TV, Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
No me yesi machara, yesi macharo.
Alright, Yama Obibi Achimo Obibi Akwa Babi Mefamra Coastal Television so na ene ya wada yede akudi mu nsema ya tuni din Central Sports Arena ana yaptena se yede eho ensem no ede ebramo ewa ha na ene efiri amono ne yeka bom na yede eguo ede amamo na yewia asole na dwadi nka no enso atoa so ede amamo enso ewa ha na ebra Super Cup no ekọ so na Embra after a year Tottenham lead by 2-0 na 90+4 na 6 na a year PSG enso atekani nyana amana 2-2 momoko ball a year penalties na penalties no ana PSG enso edi progress edi cap no enso edi si omana so yere won sempi edi eba coaches no akasa Kudus enso di nkomo kakra edi fa game no hon na so na Vitinha enso akasa any other transfers issues ana yedi Ebrem Emra Osman Dembele enya man of the match e wo game dem yere won sempi enso edi Ebrem enso ewa ha na bibia so akoye enso eho na yewia ye kofie na fisam no aya ense bebre ana eba sports minister akasa enso ewo eye dwumadi ekoso ewo eye Istanbul Turkey eho ana dwumadi bi ekoso okoye eko kasa kakra yebetie ne nsam no kakra enso ewo ha sanso ana former ESCO member Samuel Animado on say eye omo peace cup bi bokoso nyame on Sunday Heart any Heart of Lions and ebo wodi nkoma kakra enso e dia fawo sanso Kofi Manu Blue Boy enso akasa na Ibrahim Sani Diara omunyina enso akasa Ket enso e de nkomo enso e di abre yebedi nkomo enso e wo dwumedi no enso entitam tuku umma Facebook abla ya live on Facebook oba ko set box ni like share ni ja comment enso fato ye be kan kama enso e di amaw enso e wa ha etisa ana eti YouTube so ye live on so na wo fia wo TV no se e digital scanning o scanning a channel 514 no so sabekan na osu wanya bi enso ahwe enso ho na Joboy ana ene ogina camera na chi enso e di MIA sanso ana omomu boa madwumadi no e Babenis enso adawroma ana yakopim live on Facebook YouTube enso bibia ekoyi enso e wa ha ana fe omomu boa no production team no so yes Mr. Omar bin Abdallah Asorba Kofi Esuman ana fe doctor professor Kwamina Bafoje ana fe mobi the CEO Mrs. Gifty Yomi Munyina enso eboy media de kwalen safani me twam aba me ba me de nsam no go e da mamo. Okay, yes, I'm going to be a so and from Brad Committee no so now yes, shots and fun seminar and from go and from Mama Emba, UEFA a Super Cup and so echo so now Emba after 90 minutes, plus additional time I'll refer to so na game and so I could you to na Emba first 2 goals have Tottenham SA now Mickey Van de Ven. Enya first goal na de momo ana Christian Romero enso de ba ko prisoner se Tottenham almost center back ni mienu enya 2 goals na de momo na Embra ana Luis Enrique coach edema PSG minor ana PSG club no na Embra 2 changes o ye no eno ana resource into 2 goals edema no na link kan in ana be first goal no enso edema ana Goncalo Ramos enso emani ye 2-2 enso ona Embra Osman Dembele enya man of the match na Benes for to swame nimini no nkomo ono enya man of the match enso ewo game nim ono ena da so no Osman Dembele enso di nkomo bebre enso area for say Embra ono ena ne phone no so na Madrid fans no congratulate no say waje Super Cup no enso hono ma ye dey one sem no enso eje mama next picture no na me ni kobo Dembele je ban che say akoda we enso likely say Ballon d'Or no ono su ebetumi agi na Libres no so enso ye sepa enso hono ma ye dey one sem no enso eje mama enso hono na mama next picture no Luis Enrique enso ababeka abeye 5th manager ono so agi South Trophy Super UEFA Super Cup no ono so ababeji with 2 different clubs or the Barcelona and Afri PSG enso agi coaches are Omaye bi no Carlo Ancelotti Pep Guardiola Luis Van Gaal and Afri let's say Alex Ferguson omo enso omunyina enso aye bia ide wan sam no enso edi emamo enso na emra mame Thomas Frank Tottenham manager no fano to smame na emra osi omo ono osi last manager oje South Trophy we no manager bia oje ya no omo esake no nti no omso be say mistake no kra enso obi no ball na branch a ye fa Mickey Van de Ven say onya first goal no emmo say akra no oso ma lucky pa say omunya sa goal no easier enso na tiere wi kra no enye easy say obenya goal enso final ma ye dey one seven no dey emmo na Embra Paris Saint-Germain Luis Enrique coach Edmomo Embra Okasai o say Tottenham no deserve much better. Remember, omo bobo Edison in the team PSG. Yentin sama Luis Enrique Eritudia.
Congratulations. Nice t-shirt, by the way. You did it, yeah.
It's really nice, yeah.
You did it the hard way, though.
Do you think we deserve that?
Do you?
For 80 minutes, I didn't deserve that. I think Tottenham deserved the winning the match because we can feel that they were in form. They can feel that they have been training for 6 weeks. They played a great match, and we have been training only for 6 days. But sometimes football is unfair, and I have to say that we were very lucky. In the last 10 minutes, we could score 2 goals. And I have to say that my players had faith until the last minute, like our supporters. But football is unpredictable, and in that sense, I have to say that we were very lucky.
After what has been such a busy summer, as you say, such a quick turnaround since the Club World Cup final, not very long in training to get ready for this new season, did you see that out there? Is that why you think your team struggled?
Absolutely. From the first minute, when the players touched the ball, when the players played without having the time to think about where you have to pass, yeah, a lot of precision passes, and it's difficult to play the way we want to play if you don't train, if you having the time to train. And I have to say that it was like a miracle.
Well, we did get a first glimpse of your new goalkeeper, Lucas Chevalier. What did you make of his performance? He was quite involved.
I have to say that it shows a big personality, which is so important to have if you want to stay in a club like PSG. A lot of pressure around us, but I'm very happy for him because he shows that personality, and also for the players who come in from the bench, because they are so important, and they don't, all of them want to play in the lineup. But today, Gonzalo, Kangin, Fabian, Mbaye, all of them, they played great, and they did it great, and we can draw that match and winning in the penalty shootout.
Well done again, and good luck for the season.
Thank you. All the best.
And some PH manager Luis Enrique and so edited the idea once I'm ready to do another branch. Your friend Vitinha after the game, or also Ekasai.
Vitinha, congratulations. European champions and now a Super Cup win as well, but it wasn't short of drama. How did you manage to turn that around?
With all we got, we knew it wouldn't be easy against a very good team, but we knew as well with the short preseason that we did, it would be difficult. It will have some difficulties, and it happened. We conceded 1 goal, and in the start of the second half, another goal. It's difficult to come back from that, but we believed. We really believed that until the end, and I'm glad we could have scored 1 and then 2 and then take the game to penalties.
When it goes to a penalty shootout.
And some Vitinha entered to the opposite side. Thomas Frank, I am manager at Tottenham. And also Ekasai after the game, or the same the last 10 minutes, or Kasai at the foul, or about 80 minutes, and one come on, Sama coaching the two.
The game get away from you in the last 10 minutes?
Yeah, I would like to see it from a different perspective. I think we played a very good game. We're playing against one of the best teams in the world, maybe the best this moment in time. And I think we had them exactly where we wanted them for 80-something minutes until the 2-1 goal. Then, of course, it shifted a little bit of momentum, but so much positive, so proud of the team, the players, the club, the fans. Yeah, I think there's a lot to be happy with. It's a flip of a coin when you go into a penalty shootout.
There was a lot.
And some Thomas Frank and so the two that I'm woman Kubus and some to draw or say or feel proud. And the team the way I'm seeing it taught LPG. And so about the way no a big lesson say or more every stay focus for the whole 90 minutes. Now yet some Kubus and so the two so.
To lose the game in the end, this is a big lesson to stay focused for the whole 90 minutes, but I'm really proud of the team for their work ethic, their energy, because I think we had them for the whole most part of the game. Just the last part that we need to keep the full concentration, but we take this as a lesson. We have a game on the weekend and full focus on that.
and some Mohamed Kudus and so the two Jarame come Manchester City as well. Mamma Branty and friend Ryan Cheki for the two Swam and Brantiano and Paya about the two that's a Man City, a yet Gagrish, Equadia or no, Anna and Omidi Jessina Materno, and so Eddie Amaninti, a Brantiano, Yamia Bessizia Shassi, Yamia Mochano, or no Anna Esha Jessina Maten, Edama Manchester City, Yade and one summoner Eddie Ebona Mammy, a year, a Branty and friend of Martin's 10. Now Branty way, Amra Obobi Edema Tottenham. And I'm Tottenham supporters in be racially no more abusing or Omu dinner term and so abusing there. I only oya D you make cabia. Now and social media or the finance to Sumame Wabra. Now Omu church messages every day I could away at them now Obu Cladia or the D emojis. And the other two on the head and I'm to go get out in Nina. Why is everyone surprised? He's always been like this. It is Etienne, Tottenham for and so a statement. So Omoshe now Omo any supporters and so Akasano man will be or yes, I didn't be Omo and Sasunwa, Emra and Sonin Betty, and so all my idea once a month. And they Mamma Coca-Cola, Manchester United. Sponsorship deal about the Omni Coca-Cola for and so rich a year agreement. Say a year or no sign BBR 3 year sponsorship on Modo and so at the Ever Manchester, Yade and one summer, and so at the public that's on Mammy Chelsea. Who didn't say Club World Cup and now exactly 1 month on a Chelsea J Club World Cup or Omoto Swami. Now, who didn't say Jogo Jota. And so Liverpool Abrantia car accident and Abrantano and so Konyaye na Abrantano Koni Krechi Oninia Andy Silva Omina Efrias at Fasa so now who such also for the club walk up no almost say a year players no I decided say winning bonuses no in 24 moment Saskano Omo Pone Kakra by $15.5 million. And so Eddie Akoma a year Diogo Jota Oninia Andrew Silva Omobusa Fono na Omonso Eddie Akoko Bomo enti Chelsea Fona ya dia moment pre wo yeah enti no eno ne kakra eno so efuru enso ebana Hilan Oma branch ya frano a year Alexander Mitrovic odie Fulham branch here anoko piem e Saudi na okoyero otontena edimomo and a high life for now, imagine say, Omubetua 25 million euros. Eddie Amano no more contact him. Now, Brentero of Free Serbia, Nemetin say, a balance of a free agent. Inti ordinary bachelor or English Premier League in Nebabe, Tima, Ombasano, and so, Mammy Mark Guay, never knew no come out. Now, Mark Guay so, and so added some Eddie Ababa Tuga, or seen a Niji. Say or no or the final year I want a contract in Crystal Palace in Tiabaritana a free agent and a planter and so Abakona Ibrahim Konate or no sooner does on now or say or no was say yes Adama Real Madrid or see whether a yet or extending the contract to so better next season you are not ordinary yes Adama Real Madrid it's on Madrid and a person or ball and so my next picture no meaning about and so I was so now I'm not sure that she Liam Pelly, or boy at the Master Villa, Jamatin say, Robert for, and so could be an assay free war, Muguso, any player no, any agent, and so did come on, Sabatano, and so I didn't be chemo, Yade and one summer, and so at the Abamikabe, and so the Chamo, Mammy, Govani, really, never knew come on. Only now, I put on a Palmer, defender. Now, Emra, but the two just a Liverpool for no way. Now, and then I could have other than need to more message side. No, I got any medicals, Eddie Liverpool Bobo Corner, anti Abrantiano documents. Liverpool, any Palmer best in Serbiano, Bibia, okay, it's Abrantiano, and so Eddie the Nietzsche more. Yadia wants some Eddie to Dana Kingsley Coleman. Yabaka say, or the Nietzsche more Al Nasal. Now, or now, the Beto Dana say, afraid and a Bramanic for no, I'm going to go ahead so to me. And so Ako, Oman green light, so bet to me out 30 million euros. I don't mutuae, and so at the moment, Mamma Gani Zaka. Now, Cecilia and say, transfer window, yay. I don't be play more Sunderland. Now, and that the meeting just said, confirmation number say, oh no, and a best Sunderland for captain ahead of Premier League. Yakwakobono, or and a best captain team now, Yade and 1 7 and so Eddie Amamana, Yama, and slot. Liverpool ebie Premier League na no nyame admo chena na team match omo eba be bono omo ne team ne team ede Bournemouth and eba be bono na coach na kasa e na no press conference amo say omo bisa say about Florian Wirtz o new plan so oba no wa settle e Liverpool e honum na oye better than ever expected 80 eno no Abrante no aye ever ready ahead of nyame admo chena omo game Omani Bournemouth ebobo yankani ntie and slot Liverpool manager the same of the two ya.
So I don't think factually we can see him as a young player, but in terms of his experience that he's already having, I don't see him as a young player. He won the league in Germany, won the cup, played for his country numerous times. And apart from that, his mentality is maybe his biggest strength, and that says a lot, because if you see him play, you're like, are you serious? Because he's so creative, but how mentally strong he is, and he doesn't get distracted at all by a transfer fee or anything else. So I think good players always find a way to play well in good teams, and he is a good player and he plays in a good team.
Doesn't need any help of yours?
Yeah, he does, like all the others. But we have a very good player care department, so I'm not looking for houses together with him or these kind of things. But on the pitch and on the training ground and in videos, he needs help for him to understand the way we want to play. That's not 180 degrees different than Xabi Alonso. The system is different, but we want to be intense. Xabi Alonso wanted to be intense. He liked to dominate the possession. Xabi would try to bring him in positions we want to try to bring him in. So a lot of things are the same for him. But it's true, he has to adjust to England, to the league, to the intensity, and to his new teammates as well. But better than even expected, and we already expected a lot.
Way and some Liverpool coach and slot and so the two guys. Now, my majority do not Roma. I don't pay a young resting here. And your meetings say, Abrante and Man City. And so I agree personal terms Abrante salary obaji e Man City 12 million euros every year bia it will match up to akase club to club and so e be negotiate e dey wan sem no e dey emamo na Jimmy Carragher say ono owu say Chelsea team no Champions League stages group stages phase no first group phase no omo qualify enti sema Jordan Klopp and so aka e dey for Chelsea boboko no a ye dey en wasem no and so ebobura mu e wo Leon Bailey no Aston Villa player no Jermaine say o ma sa bobura say Jadon Sancho Manchester Abrante no omo put season road enti nkomatwetwe no enso egu so enso ekoso e dey wasem no e ba na e bereche ese ebo Crystal Palace na the everybody say say Tottenham for no launch bid or official bid and they call Crystal Palace for a bereche ese na Abrante no ye hwe so obeja tum ana Arsenal ana obekwa kobo enso e dia mo mai dia wasem no enso e di etukama no nsem no dia toso enti dia di support say what ana meke adawa mo me kwaba me twam aba me pa na me di afisem no e dia to am so me kwaba sisia.
My name is Honorable Eduamwa Ekopein Oche, Central Regional Minister, and I welcome you to Central Region Expo Tourism and Investment Fair, dubbed Central Expo 2025, which takes place at Adisada College Park, Cape Coast, from August 22 to August 30, 2025. Our region is known for tourism, education, and agro-business, and we are excited to showcase our achievement and opportunities here at Central Expo 2025. Over the years, the Expo has created opportunity for many small and medium-scale enterprises to showcase their goods and services to the outside world. In many cases, exhibitors have come from almost all corners of Ghana and outside Ghana and have maximized their sales and revenues. This expo is a fantastic platform for us to connect with businesses, investors, and entrepreneurs from around the world. It is a chance for us to learn from each other and explore new opportunities. I invite you all to explore our region's exhibits and products, meet our entrepreneurs and innovators, and discover the many opportunities Central Region has to offer. We look forward to working with you and building a higher future together. For more inquiries, please call the Secretariat 0246 48 8830. Thank you and welcome to Central Expo 2025.
Some will be a family to so Central Sports Arena and yedi and come out and show Wahano. Yeah, but I had your fisherman at your go at Mamudia Sports Minister, Honorable Kofi Adams, and so I could pay more Istanbul and I could be World Cooperation, 13th World Cooperation Industries Forum, and I also now acquire routine come out or say what.
Created a clear policy link. Recreation has become an addition to sports, and we invite a lot of investors to come into that space because there's so much opportunity in that sector. Your Excellency, our flagship programs under the reset agenda are designed not just for Ghana, but to serve as a global model. That is the Big Push program in the area of investment in infrastructure, in the area of investment, especially roads, which you have participated in. Is the Feed Ghana program, which is focused on investment in agriculture. Ghana is open for business. To make this partnership, Mr. Chairman, bankable, we need to fortify our relationship. We need to create the enabling environment, clear guidelines that our economy has rebounded and is doing so well. Today, we have had our city appreciate so strongly, and when you come and do business in Ghana, you will not be losing. Another establishment that we call the Gold Board, just like the Cocoa Board, has made it now easier to trade in Bad, the area of gold. This forum, Mr. Chairman, is not just about exchanging business cards. It is about securing partnerships that will deliver measurable outcomes. Over the next 2 days, let us be ambitious, and I'm happy, million to even 75 million. And that is what we need. We have to be ambitious. Let it not just be a platform where we will be exchanging cards. Let it be a platform that business to business will meet, investments will be initiated, and Africa and Turkey will be the biggest of the beneficiaries. I wish to say a very big thank you for creating this platform and for inviting Ghana to be a part. Thank you.
Sama Sports Minister, Honorable Kofi Adams, and Komoko di our forum no I say Istanbul and Yapupi Ediamona, a former ESCO member, Samuel Nimato, and Swaka Sadia, a out of folk, and a Lions game on Mobo, Yama Sunday, a Omo Cap on Peace Cap, was say, a surprise, almost a surprise, Eddie Ama, Oma, last week, Yampeni for the ministers are. Omo edi helicopter ekonya crash no o see we omo ba ona omo nyame adoma Sunday before the game mintin sama Samuel Nimadu edituda.
We also partnered with National Youth Authority who are celebrating their youth month, and they also championing the advocating against the use of substances and red and those drug abuse and those things, and Osman Ayariga told us that they are on board fully. So they want to bring the green army. It's just that unfortunately we had that accident that stopped all government activities. So it affected all of us. None of us wanted this, and I think all of us were down but we still have to move on. And so on Sunday, there's a surprise. We are going to use that game to honor these great fallen heroes and the young girl case who also perished on the motor accident.
Right. So how important is sports to tourism?
So good. If you check, even if you look at most of the countries, they have a tourism and sports visa.
Oh, right.
You see that people say they have visa for tourism and sports. You go to countries, now embassies have tourism and sports desk. Because these are the only tools that you can use to project anything positively, that even if two rivals are together, and that you have an opportunity of bringing a sporting event. The rivals don't... I remember one of the Olympic Games when Iran and US played. They were fighting, man, but they had to play. They had to play. And just Cote d'Ivoire here, when they had that northern and southern thing, it is Drogba and the other guys, they had to play a game to bring them together. At the same time, when you also look at the culture, values and traditions of that society or that land, if you connect it with sports, you're able to project. So these two things work together hand in hand for positive.
But with this Homo.
And someone in Humanto and so the two Ghana coach Didi Dramani, head coach Edema Hatofok. Also kasa edafa a gamer yame aduma Sunday on the Lions Elboro say we know ebemomo direction ama omutim no omanya opportunity ama omo edibibi enso ababontin yenti sama Didi Dramani edutuya.
I think that the period warrants for testing both physically, technically, tactically and mentally. And so all the fundamentals of football are involved in this period. It's a period where you blend your new stuff with the older ones. It's a period where you set up new clarities in terms of concepts. It's a period where you put new models, and so there are so many things happening around this period, and it's all about cohesion. It's all about bonding. It's all about finding the right connection. And so we are building a house. That means that every material is very important. And so we will see new innovations from even the present cup that you spoke about. There are so many things that have been invented and they're put in place. But these games happens to give you the opportunity to prevail them so that you can actuate and then believe in what you are doing and trust in the process. And so we have a clear roadmap that we have spread out, and then this match will just give us an opportunity to try to bring something out of.
And some coach Didi Dramani how to folk coach and so editor na data bank CEO Kojo Ajay Mensah or see only how to can face a for problem now Kojo problem man only how to can face for a problem asema na ba chirimu.
I have a problem with King Faisal. And I know that Alhaji Charlie Kofi, you and I, he's our senior, like he started football before I was even born.
Yeah, he's our father.
So that one did. But I have a problem with King Faisal. King Faisal is one of the reasons why we are playing an 18 club league. And Ghana is not ripe for an 18 club league. But where are they today? They brought this confusion, created all this hula baloo, and for peace sake, we all accepted and allowed the 18. Ghana cannot have more than a 16 club league. Indeed, ideally for me, it should be a 12 club league.
Yeah.
In Ghana, considering our infrastructure, considering the funding, considering how we can pay players and all that, there's no reason why we should have more than 12 clubs in our Premier League. Even Scotland. How many clubs play the Scottish Premier League? In Scotland.
Even in Switzerland.
And in Switzerland. And some of the Scandinavian countries. But you have, with all these controversial comments and things you do, you have brought us to an 18 club league. We are struggling for venues that meet cup standards. We are playing a league that when you are, viewing or you are producing, it's so difficult
to watch.
And then you are bringing us more confusion, Alhaji. Where there, yes, he should just let sleeping dogs lie.
Way and some Kodra Mensa, Data Bank CEO, or also Eddie Ebaye, now football administrator, a Kofi Manu Blue Boy, and so say, Cats, yes, or Kreku, and to me, and benefited from a yes statue. Now, Omaya Hofrono, said you know, allow for 3 times, there be ought to be benefited. It is a Kofi Manu Blue Boy, any Yin Yamo, a sporty for and come on to train.
Seriously, it is legitimate. Because we know that you do not make a law to take a retrospective effect. And for that reason, since Kaito Kreku took office, based on the existing status that had 2 terms, he cannot benefit from any extension thereafter. Like I said in the beginning, assuming that they say, 4 years is enough for somebody to perform, so we are making the term 1 term. It does not affect Kaito Kreku. He will not be forced to resign or terminate his mandate because he is entitled to 2 terms, as was enshrined in the previous status. The only person who will start with maybe 1 term will be fresh people, who will have fresh mandates. So, technically, Kaito Kreku will not have to contest, even if they have agreed on 3 terms. And that is where the constitutional crisis will arise. If somebody, if Kaito Kreku attempts to file a nomination and somebody takes the matter to court.
Will you take your matter to court if he decides to contest?
When we get to the bridge, we will try and cross it.
If the bridge is broken, what will you do?
We will fix it and cross.
Blue, thank you so much this evening. We miss you. We want you in Accra so we can have more conversations like
Way and some Kofi Manu Blue Boy, and so editor Ghana, former GFA communication director, Ibrahim Sanjay, Ibrahim Sani Diara, or say, who football man, or say, it's a football man 8 years and enough. Any farmer Ubia, Yintin Sama, Sani Diara Bitubia.
I think that you see, the normalization committee during normalization times were trying desperately hard to, to work against what Kwesi Nyantakyi had done. So they were in a hurry to put in laws that will completely win Ghana football away from what Kurt had done. But the truth is that if you are in football administration and you know what football administration is, and you know what it takes to be able to get influence in the game, to position your country in such a way that the country will benefit, you won't be able to do that in 8 years. So anybody with true knowledge in football administration at the highest level will tell you that you'll be shooting yourself in the foot. You will not have a table at the chair where decisions are made. So you find, just look at the leadership. Apart from, for example, President Musepe, just look at the leadership of CAF, all the vice presidents. All of them are into maybe their 4th terms.
And so the Ghana Football Association President, Kurt E.S. Okreku, Ara Okasano say 2019 or signing up or say 2019 and almost signing G2 Musa status, or Mubasa Tidia Naba, I will change now go for Ekasa. Inti Sama Kurt E.S. Okreku de Tubia.
Even before we signed up to 2019 status, all of us at the gathering, at the meeting, agreed that we're going to change. We're going to effect changes after the elections. This is a statement of fact, because there were certain provisions in the status which we did not agree to. Few months down the line, we started the process. And the process went into another gear 3 years ago when we formed the Status Review Committee and accepted proposals from membership. Fast forward, we've arrived today, and Congress has overwhelmingly approved the vision and the clarion call that was made in 2019. Thank you.
And some cats, and so the two Ghana, Andrews Kobna, Namino Kobo, na Abranche, your former player, Edema, Bibiani Go Stars, or another team. So now, on Sunday, I say, maybe I say Go Stars in the place be Eddie or Major Mukwan, or Matibitum contract. Now, Branche, Eka, away last 2 seasons, Division 1, Obobobi, Edema, Young Red Bull, na Omodinima Loan, from Go Stars to Red Bull. Now, Obairo, the American say, Abranche any Karela for no as the pre-season. And the everybody say very likely Abranche ebe sign Karela United yede and one seminar and so Eddie and Mamo and so Ewa na ye coach Christopher Nimley and so you come on or say Ghanaian journalist for no Mujafu and Yamo. Na mo ntumi nka no kore no emfa nkyere GF for no na ya league no enkoyi nyinti sema coach no enso edito bia.
Football journalists in this country mu bebre enyamu nyina o mu bebre, you are of a big disappointment ankasa say eye komo say ye dio nyame a wosori. Instead of you to unite as one to speak the voice of Ghana, Pesamukunya, selfish interest, greed, selfishness is what has been embedded in majority of the sports journalists in this country. Look at them. They are hugging the FA people. They are smiling with them. They are dancing with them. I know some of them, their children's school fees are being paid. They are being given cars. They are being promised traveling to the US when I know of all these things. You know. But if you sacrifice Ghana, Kai said, Uba, Dachi, and I will too natural words. I know. Me the Mecca, let's say Sudia.
Sama coach Christopher Nimley Edutuga. Owe say Ket NDC ni pa na oye NDC member nti ana Ghana Premier League no sponsored by the government. Yinti sama opinion de to aso.
So Racket to Kreku say onu ankasa akopɛ sponsors e de be Ghana football. Yentra me to sebio. Me see yentra din esanya entra akɛseɛ. The government of Ghana should be very, very careful. We voted this government into power for them to be of great service to the people of this country. You don't lift our money. I repeat, you don't take our money and go and give it to Keko because he's NDC. He's an NDC man. Nobody can deny that. Anybody closer to him, anybody closer to him knows that or your full NDC. I hate doing what I'm doing. That if you play with Mother Ghana, you play with me. Look, I'm telling you honestly today, if you give the people of Ghana and you don't show any interest whatsoever on what he does concerning our football, then God have mercy. May God have mercy on whoever is giving that money to Ketokreku and the Adasan production people. If you have the government of Ghana giving these people close to $16 million and they cannot admit to us, say, Ketokreku Amanaja football Chrome and not show any interest in what he does. Nyamin Ghana. Look, Metihai, I am not against the government of Ghana investing in football in this country. I support it to the maximum. The Ghana Frontier, they've given our money to Adasan, a production firm, to go and produce and turn around and come and sell the product to we Ghanaians. And Ghana for no, the taxpayers, no, we are paying double. Twice payment, double payment. All the government of Ghana needed to do is to go and give the money to Ghana Broadcasting, GTV. GTV, yamini unyaya deal. What is Kanama GTV? And yafe na GTV baba ye production and sana wa betwama ye.
And sama coach Christopher Erituga. Obi no say omo no magini say omo beti obi a every no omo no magini so beti obi a de nkofo ka bi omo ntin kura. Yinti de coach Christopher Erituga.
They do what they want, they do what they like, they don't care about what we say. They should allow their wives, their children, their relatives to go and watch the games at the stadium. I say, after na yeba be boama ya say no, yeba say agro na boya nyina. Because if you behave this way, show no respect whatsoever to the people of Ghana, we will tell you that look, football no, enye udia o, enye dia. Obiba football enye omudia o, enye mini udia. Uni me sound misadia no. Because if they put the product out there and we don't go and buy the product, what have they done? Cost 90. Work done is 0. So it doesn't belong to them. He said that is the foresight and that's the insider or money. The thing it belongs to them. It does not belong to. It belongs to you and I. So you can have out of 144, you can have 123, you can have 190 something percent endorsing you. You see, look at the diabolic approach they did yesterday. They said it was to extend the tenure of Biaba Tumia contestee for 3 terms. But did you listen to Ketokwekwu's speech? He spoke as if said, Yatu Abama no, Nyomaya no, is because of him, Nomaya no. That even tells the ordinary Ghanaian out there that say it's not about Ketokweku. Anybody at all can come and contest him. But me, I'm a comment sense to there.
Wey and sama opinion and so ekai owie no na o say current sports minister Kofi Adams were big disappointed e woni mu pa yenti the coach ekai.
The minister Honorable Kofi Adams Obiba uti hoyi Kofi Adams has already disappointed you. True or false?
I have no opinion, sir.
You should have an opinion on this matter. Obiba, you can't say you don't have an opinion. The likes of Asempa, they should all have an opinion on this matter. The man has been a disappointment. He has disobeyed the president of Ghana by not releasing the budget to the Black Stars. He's in bed with Ketokweku. They took the Black Stars to the Unity Cup. They've not rendered any account. The Jemefe Commission said boldly, it's written there. I worked for the Jemefe Commission. I know what is in that Jemefe Commission report. If you take the Black Stars or any of our national team for any international friendly game, you should expose the deal, the in total, go inside and reveal the contract to the people of Ghana. Kofi Adams has not done that. Now you go and lift our money and give to the man, and you don't show any interest in what the man does. I'm terribly disappointed in Dr. Randy Abbey because he was one of the vocal people in this country who spoke against what Kwesi Nyantakyi was doing. We condemn Kwesi Nyantakyi, and by the matter of principle, I'm a principal person. I will condemn it. Randy Abbey, doctor, with all due respect, who will be like this tomorrow and tomorrow will be like that. In establishing this 2-10-year way now, yet that shares our constitution, Nipa, Minimpa say, normalization committee for Nimikasa Pa Eyora, Dr. Randy Abbey. I'm stating this as a matter of truth and as a matter of fact. Mindinatem, Meninina Accra Academy, or your senior, baby. So I respect him to the core, to the maximum. That I never dreamt that a son of Bleu, a son of Accra Academy, with all our integrity and our intellectual powers, would disobey and then disappoint us in this manner. You go and say Kwesi Nyantakyi should not be allowed to go. Kwesi Nyantakyi nobody should be given more than 2 terms. We've not even completed the 2 terms, Dr. Randiabe. Mr. Achi, we've not even completed the 2 terms. We've not even experimented it to the fullness for us to know that it will give us an outcome. This is the first time. The man is in the 5th year, in the 2nd term, out of a total of 8 terms. How do you go and sit there and think through if it is being done at UEFA? And so what?
And some coach, you know, and so lastly, you call Doctor Nyamunya Utamakulu, and so as you or your board member, Edema Hearts of Folk, or say, we know a Yuma Anomuzumuvia. Now, Wakaka Kada for JFE presidential extension, you free to at a quatrain. Yinti Sama, a Doctor Nyamunya Utamakulu, come on, you know, joy, AG and Comono.
If it's left unchallenged, this is a concerning precedent, threatening not just the foundations of football governance in Ghana, but the democratic principles we have worked so hard to entrench. Because these things are dangerous. We shouldn't forget that there are young people copying it. Why do people want to stay in power indefinitely? For what reason? Just to steal. I repeat it, just to steal. Nothing else. So please, I personally am against it, and I'll always be against it. Because it took us years to be in this so-called democratic dispensation that we have today. Some of us have suffered. Some of us have suffered, both in jail and many other things. People like Kwame Pienyin has been in prison for over 12 years just to get this democratic dispensation. I have spent 5 years of my life. So when I'm talking, I know what I'm talking about. So anybody who attempts to destroy the democratic dispensation we have, I personally will have to fight until I die. Because their intention is to rob, not to build anything. How do you need 12 years? If you are a good administrator, it will be seen within the first year or first 2 years.
And some doctor Nyamunya Utamakulu, and so a kaye, and so na eno ene kakra no so ifiwo, and so ba make bi e dia chamona akotochel yes omo festival avoba tournament no enso ekoso no na nyame abumochena ana games no ebi enso toato asudi afiri na mefa chenambo a fishes no emfa emamudia na yese chenambo a Friday akotochel United ene papa anochi ebebo anopa 11 am na game no ese na setting post enso any estate boys enso ebebo na Newtown ene akotochel United enso abo enso eti eno ene bekoso nyame adoma ochina nti echambo eba ne de memenda de no ene kwesiada de no enso e de ato amoso enso e wa ha yembre no ayebi ne bomo no mekoi ma menchia Chairman Stephen Kojo Ahen oro ene ye NPP yes omo NPP Cape Coast North constituency omo chairman ono ene ja oma no enso ono and a German na chairman uditi mo bi dibie on a chairman became no mono omkom buma we de ubwa we only size eti ono eno na chairman we be no na primary chairman and Thursday eti yame enhira na onya okese oma wo engotintin awodi wom eti chairman and anopay mechiao e de ba e de fa e Costa TV na ye ministers no ye ministers last week eye omodi eye plane e ko crash ye no enda chairman e de ne wish e de ne condolences e de ama ebusuano no NDC awan ko na Africa fo nyina se o munye nyina ye nhedene eti chairman nyame enhira papa na me wo fa se bi di ne birthday na benese ne beto so ama me kama ene lu nya 1 year na o ha bi rutu Sharifa Ashraf Ibrahim no na benese ne to so o 1 year